Do you want to start a successful YouTube channel without having to show your face and earn up to $99,000 a month today? I'm going to show you how to quickly produce high-quality videos using an AI tools without the need for complex video editing skills. So stay with me until the end of this video because I'm going to share a big secret with you. First step to success on YouTube is to choose a popular and profitable topic. I will tell you 4 types of videos through which you can earn easy money, and that too without any editing skills, and you only need few minutes to create it. So first, let me tell you one of the viral topic, and that is AI story videos. First, you have to sign up on this website. You can find the website link in the description. To create AI story videos, click on AI story video button. Then first step is to choose the animation style of the video. There are many trending video styles like watercolor art, manga style, dark style. Choose any style according to you need. I am going to create a crime story video, so let's choose dark style. Now it's time to generate a script for your video. You can use pre-made prompts templates or can use your own custom prompt. I am going to use custom prompt. Now here you need to enter some details about your video, like describe your video concept, language of the video. You can even create Hindi language videos, starting hook of the video, video ending, and duration of the video. Now click on Generate Script button. Within few minutes, your script is generated. Click on Next button. Here you can select your subtitle style. I will select this. Click on Next. Form here, you can choose professional sounding voice for your video. Let's select one.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
You can also select background music for your video. Now click on Generate Video button. This will take few minutes to generate your video. See, your video is generated within few minutes, no technical skill needed. Let's watch it.
A woman's panicked voice on a 911 call. He knows my secret. Then silence. The next morning, she's found dead with a chilling message on the wall. Detective Sarah Thompson was renowned for her keen instincts. She was currently grappling with a terrifying wave of murders. The killer taunted the police with cryptic messages at each scene. Every message was a riddle loaded with symbols and wordplay. Each solved riddle led her to another mystery, increasing the pressure. The city was in fear, and media scrutiny was unyielding. Her colleagues admired her skills, but
Isn't this amazing? Let me know in the comments section. Now let's create another popular niche called Reddit story videos. Reddit story videos are a popular type of content where people take interesting, funny, scary, or emotional posts from Reddit. To create, just click on Reddit story on the left sidebar. Select any background style you want. Click on Next button. Now here you can create custom script. Just enter post description and video script. From here you can post Reddit link and it will automatically create script for you. Very easy, right? Or you can just describe your video concept here. And I will automatically write video script for you. So I will use this and describe my video concept. Click on Generate Script. Within few seconds, video script is ready. Click on Next. Select any subtitle style and click on Next. Select any suitable voice and background music if you want. Click on Generate Video, and your video will get generated within few seconds. Here is the result.
finding my own voice after years of sacrifice. Growing up, I often heard, "You must sacrifice for your sister as the elder brother and protector." Every birthday and holiday, my dreams were sidelined. My sister's wishes came first. I understood, or at least I tried to. When she wanted to join the dance team, I skipped soccer with friends to support her. Every time she fell, I rushed to her side. I became her constant shadow, and somehow, everyone believed it was my duty.
The same way we can create fake text videos. It can be funny, sad, inspirational, etc. To create, just click on fake text on the left sidebar. Select any background. Click on Next. Here we can generate our script. I will use AI to generate script for me. Click on the AI script and describe the concept of the video. Select language and duration of the video. Click on Generate Script. Within few seconds, it will generate script. Click on Next. Select theme here. Select voice and background music if you want. Click on Generate Video button. Here is the result. Hope you like it.
I can't believe you texted your boss for a hot date. What were you thinking?
No, it was supposed to be hot plate for that dinner meeting.
Oh, so you're not asking for a romantic dinner with your boss?
Definitely not. Unless it's a business dinner that somehow involves dessert.
Dessert? Are you trying to sweet talk them into a promotion?
Hey, if that works, I might just send them a cake with a note.
Next thing I know, you'll be baking them cookies.
Only if you share the rest.
Now let's create a dialogue video. Here I will create a general knowledge video. Click on Dialogue Generator on the left side bar. Select any background. Here you can input your own dialogue, or you can use AI to generate dialogue for you. Let's click on AI script, and this time I will use template. Click on Use It button under Fun Facts. This will create a script for you. Click on Next. Here you have to select voice 1 for the left character, which will read left text, and right character for the right side text. Choose voice for both sides.
I told you can make me say anything using Short.AI.
Click on Generate Video. Within few seconds, your video will get generated. Here is the result.
Did you know there are waves all around us, even if we can't see them?
Really? Like sound waves or light waves?
Exactly! Sound waves travel through air, while light waves move through space. It's fascinating!
So how do these waves work? Are they the same?
Good question! Sound waves are mechanical and need a medium, like air, to travel. Light waves are electromagnetic and can move through a vacuum.
That's interesting. So, light can travel through space, but sound can't?
Right! Imagine trying to hear someone talk in space. You wouldn't.
Mind-blowing! What about the speed? Are they different?
Definitely. Light travels at about 299,007.
Apart from creating videos, you can also generate subtitles within few seconds for your videos or for your client videos and charge money. Let's see how. Click on Caption Generator, select any subtitle style you want, and then upload your video file. Your video will get uploaded. Here you can change the subtitle style, or you can add emoji to your subtitles, or can change your subtitles. Just click on Export and your video with subtitles will get downloaded on your computer.
Probably didn't know about Oklahoma. I've lived in the Sooner State my entire life, and as a realtor helping families relocate here,
So, this is how you can create amazing viral videos within few seconds for your YouTube channel without any editing skills. If this video helps you, please do like the video and subscribe to the channel and press bell notification icon to see more video like this. This is it for the video. We will meet in the next video. Bye-bye.